Hey friends. Oh. Wait, what?
Yes.
I can't, no, I'm saying what, as in I didn't hear anything you said, the phone broke up. Right. No. Great. I hate that that's hanging. No. Hold on. So like that. Hopefully there's no accidents and we don't have like a, you know, a slip, if you will. So for foundation, we're going to be going in with the Lancome 24 Hour Ultra Rare. So, hi. Favorite bronzing palettes currently. Oh my god. Too much. I did too much. So where's my fucking glue? Oh shit. I need to get it together today. Come on, Bonovich. We're almost done. I can't get this off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Bye. Intro. Oh, thank you. No, you're fine. I'm just like, wow, I just started. I think I went a little heavy on the bronzer. Oh well. Oh I think I'm just supposed to open it. Do I just pour the Lancome 24 Hour I can't believe I just cried on camera. So I did my intro. I did my outro.
Imagine not answering the phone call.
I was in the middle of ending my video. Fucking forget that. No, I'll just have to remember because I don't have a pen. Ah. Video's gonna be hot garbage. Foundation brushing. Bye. Bye.